Taking care of parents? Here's why dental implants are the best gift you can give them. You take care of their health, their happiness, their comfort, but what about their smile? If your parents are struggling with missing teeth, loose dentures, or difficulty eating their favorite foods, it's time to talk about something life-changing: dental implants. Think about it. Your parents took care of you, made sure you had everything you needed growing up. Now it's your turn to make sure they are comfortable, happy, and confident, and that includes their smile. Dental implants aren't just about looks, they restore the ability to eat properly, speak clearly, and live life without discomfort. No more messy adhesives, no more slipping dentures, just strong, natural looking teeth that last a lifetime. Did you know that 70% of adults over 60 experience tooth loss, and most of them don't even know that dental implants are permanent, hassle-free solution. So if you have been thinking about ways to make life easier for your parents, start with a smile. Book a consultation at Oracare Prime today, and let's bring back their confidence, and one tooth at a time.